Okay, here we are again. Oh. 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 If you don't want to look at me, you can look at the TV behind me and watch The Thing from Another World, the original 1953 version. But what I'm doing here tonight is I finally got something in the mail tonight, something I can use again. Back here in the shop, and it just came in today. Actually, I ordered it 3 days ago, actually on Amazon. And let's see, this came from what? F-Stop Labs in Las Vegas, Nevada. And what this is, and it's got a lot of stuff in it, so I'm going to have to probably pull it out and lay it out here. Came with a bunch of tools, so I'll show you how that goes. So let's see, something else. Yeah, piece of paper. Yeah, you want the box? Look, Chubby's got a box on his head. Did you like the box on your head? No? Here, I'll try to do it again. I'll leave your nose hanging out this time. No? Okay. Alright, anyway. Toss the box. Whee! Uh-oh. And we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at this thing. This is a soldering pad that is good for up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees centigrade. And let me take the plastic off. Hopefully the dog didn't knock everything out of the way. And it comes with all these tools. And let's see, we can, it has these little magnetic spots on it here. Glue, don't need that yet. There's little compartments and stuff all over it. So it goes like, turns around this way. And we'll see if we can open it up. Okay. There. Get that out of there. Throw the plastic on Chubby. Oh no, where's Chubby? And if you look at the back, it's got magnetic attachment points right here. So, he's got these little compartments. A bunch of little things there. So, like I said, totally heat proof. And then, the tools, well, for instance, this right here, what do you think that is? That's if you want to go ahead and make sure your pad is grounded so it's anti-static free. And here we go. And there you go. So place and put it on there and everything. I don't know how it goes on there, but I know what happens with these. All these tools. So there's a whole bunch of these little tools. I mean, it's got tons of this stuff. But basically, the idea is they're all within easy reach. And they have holes on the pad so that all you got to do is plug them in there. So all your tools will be readily available. They're all in the holes. And then the other ones, you can just go right there in front. That little paddle thing. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, put more stuff in it, but that's what they got. Let's see, what is this guy? What does this do? I have no idea. Oh, a little razor blade, like chisel. Tweezers. Straight tweezers. And what else is this thing I do? Let's see. Oh yeah, we got little move around tools and stuff like that. And I have no idea what to use these guys for. I don't think they stick over there. But there is magnetism there. But anyway, so all the tools are there, everything's readily available, and really it came from the same outfit that I got the solder sucker from. KOTO, K-O-T-O. I got this on Amazon, $15.99. That's all it was. So all the tools and everything, it's all thrown in. And with my Prime, it was free shipping, and all I paid was just, you know, tax, whatever it was. I think it was like $4 or something. So anyway, so there you go. And everything's anti-static, and this pad here, you can put anything that's, you know, you've got storage places here for parts you're working on for any project. But all in all, for $15.99, it's a pretty good deal. So anyhow, that's what I got for you today. I know, boring stuff, but hey, at least it's some useful stuff anyway. And so that'll be it for now. See you guys later.